In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine PDF file on iLovePDF. First, I open this on my Chrome. You can see this is very easy drag and drop website. You can use anytime. It's free of cost. You don't need to spend any single money on here. So you can find out fast. You can see merge PDF. So I need to click this on, then select my PDF file. So I have already three PDF files. It is A, B, C. So I want to combine these three. Then click on open. So you can see if you have multiple PDF file like 10, 20 and more, you can add this plus icon. Click on this is a upload your computer, upload Google Drive, and this is a Dropbox. You can choose anyone and click on this merge PDF. It's working right now. So wow, it's already completed. So I need to click on this download merge PDF. Wow, it's download completed. Now I'm trying to open this. You can see it's working really well. Wow, it's really good. If you found this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you again.